Hi everyone, my name is Hunter James Ray, and I am a 19-year-old high school graduate who graduated from North Central High School in Indiana. I'm planning on transferring over to Indiana University Bloomington to study for 3 master's degrees in software engineering, business, and finance, and a PhD in computer science. My ultimate end goal is to own my own software development company. I've lived in Springfield, Ohio, Indianapolis, Indiana, and Mandeville, Louisiana, and here I am right here in the red shirt. For my first slide, I decided to choose the word culture, which is defined as the experiences a person has, which is what makes them who they are. The picture I've chosen is a picture of me when I was younger with my Oma, which is German for grandmother. She was originally from Vienna, Austria, and came to the United States to flee from Hitler and the Nazi Party. I spent the majority of my childhood with her, and she was always teaching me how to speak German, and was always making German dishes. I visited her home city of Vienna in 2014 because of what she had taught me. I knew a great deal of German, which helped me out a lot. My second slide is commitment, which is defined as not willing to give up on trying to finish a task. The picture I've chosen is a picture of me and my friend Steven when we both graduated from high school. The reason why commitment is so important to me is because I have major goals in my life and I have to work extremely hard to complete them. My third slide is divorced, which is defined as a separation between two married people. Why I chose this term is because my mom got pregnant with me when both her and my dad were juniors in college. They got married when I was a 3-year-old only because they thought it would be best for me, but later they got divorced a year later when I turned 4. Ever since then, they have been constantly at each other's throats, and I've been dealing with their bickering ever since I was a kid, and I still deal with it to this day. My fourth slide is love, which is defined as deep affection for someone or something. Once again, I've chosen a picture of my Oma. The reason why is because when I was a kid, I was extremely close with 3 people in my family, and she was the one who I was always the closest with. My fifth slide is sadness, which is defined as emotional pain that is caused from external or internal factors. The picture I've chosen is of my stepfather, who was there for me while my dad never really was around when I was a kid. Why this has to do with sadness is because when I was 9 years old, he died of a seizure inside of his parents' house, and that was the first experience that I ever dealt with death. My sixth slide is happiness, which is defined as things that make someone happy for a certain amount of time. The picture I've chosen is a picture that I took of the World War II Memorial in downtown Indianapolis during Christmas time. Why this makes me happy is because ever since I was a sophomore in high school, I've always loved photography, and I even worked as the chief photographer for my school's newspaper and yearbook staff. My seventh slide is personality, which is defined as specific characteristics or qualities that make up how a person acts and behaves. The picture I chose of me is at a Colts game doing a funny face. Why this has to do with my personality is because everyone who knows me thinks I'm an extremely jokey and quirky person who can even be sometimes described as annoyingly talkative. My eighth slide is nationality, which is defined as belonging to a particular nation or area. The picture that I chose is one of my great-grandfather and my great-grandmother. What this picture has to do with nationality is that my great-grandfather fought for the U.S. during World War II, and at his funeral he even received the 21-gun salute. My ninth slide is credibility, which is defined as the ability to be trusted and believed in. The picture that I chose is a picture that members of my newspaper staff took in a national journalism convention in Dallas, Texas with our teacher. What this picture has to do with credibility is that my journalism teacher always said that in order to keep our credibility, we have to always tell the truth and we always have to be respectful to whoever we are interviewing or whoever is reading our papers or watching our videos. And finally, my 10th slide is social anxiety, which is defined as everyday social interactions that can irrationally cause anxiety, self-consciousness, embarrassment, and fear. The picture that I have chosen is a diagram of several jobs that people with social anxiety can get. My job that I want to get is a computer programmer, so that was pretty big for me. Why this word is extremely important to me is because ever since I was a kid, I've always been extremely self-conscious and I've always been nervous when it came to talking to other people that I don't know, and I still deal with it to this day. And that was the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and have a nice day.